Hi boys, come on. Come. Come on boys, see bamboo mushroom. See what happened to this bamboo mushroom. You don't like bamboo mushroom? No? Okay. They don't like bamboo mushroom. I hope. They smell very disgusting. I don't know what the smell is that, but I feel some headache after smelled it. This is tamarind plant. You know that's our taste coming tamarind. These leaves are very tasty. We can munch them very tasty as chewing gum. Early, you know, friends, early morning this bloom totally very nicely like a flower. I hope you everyone saw before. I have shown to you bamboo mushrooms how after bloom, but still we are not eating in the Sri Lanka, but other countries using for eat this thing. So now this is have shrink. I hope for this is now 12 o'clock noon. That's the reason for shrink it. But it have shrink now. See, it's like a beautiful lace gown. You saw? I don't like this touch more because this is very thin and not strength much. See, I can tear this very easily. I don't like to harm this bamboo mushroom.